How to change your refresh rate or choose a specific refresh rate type for specific apps. This is the Poco X7 Pro phone with HyperOS 1 or HyperOS 2. You can always go into the settings option right here, and if you don't see it there, use the quick access and go here. Once you reach to this part here, go down the list until you see display right there. And as you enter into the display settings of your Poco X7 phone or Pro, go down past all this until you reach the screen area and you'll see refresh rate. Now that you're here, you'll see the default option, which would adjust the refresh rate based on scenarios and based on the app, okay, and performance mode. Now you also have custom. If you select custom, you will be able to choose a specific refresh rate. So from here, you can choose 60, and that'll set everything to 60, or go with 120. Now, when you select 120, you'll notice that the option here appears, apps using high refresh rate. So now you can go here, and this will load up all the apps for you, and every one that's currently turned on means that it's using 120 hertz refresh rate. So if you don't want every one of these using 120, you can just disable it. So the ones that you don't want to have 120, just turn it off. And you can always go back down to the very bottom of the list and see the ones that are disabled to re-enable them for 120. So it's going to tell you here, apps not using high refresh rate. And at the very top is the ones that are using high refresh rate. And that's that. Like and sub.